Hello my dear student. In this module we will study about topic soil of class 7th NCERT. In this chapter main points. Number 1, soil is one of the most important natural resources. Soil एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण प्राकृतिक संसाधन है. What is the soil? Soil क्या है? Soil, the mixture of rock particles and humus is called the soil. What is the soil profile? A vertical section through different layer of soil is called soil profile. These vertical sections are also called horizon. These horizons may be various types like horizon A, horizon B, horizon C and bedrock. These type of horizons, like first of all horizon A. In this horizon A, the amount of humus is more than any compounds which are present in soils. And horizon B, the minerals are also present in much amount than humus. And in horizon C, the large particles such as stones and pebbles are present in horizon C. And last, bedrock, which is very strong and are also present at the last stage of the soil profile. So, next keyword, what is the humus? The rotting dead matter in the soil is called humus. सड़े गले जो पदार्थ होते हैं सोइल के अंदर, उससे ह्यूमस बनता है. What is the weathering? तो weathering, soil is formed by the breakdown of rocks by the action of wind, water and climate. This process is called weathering. By the weathering process, soil is formed. Next, what is the type of soils? There are 3 types of soils, like sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. First of all, what is the sandy soil? If soil contains greater proportion of big particles are called sandy soil. Next, clay soil. If the proportion of very fine particles and not much organic materials are called clay soil. So, next, last type of soil, loamy soil. It is a mixture of sand, clay and silt. It is the best for the crop growth of plants. So, the particles of loamy soil is less than sandy soil and greater than clay soil. We can say that soil chapter is very important for us because we know that soil is one of the most important natural resources, but it is also home for many organisms like very small animals, insects like rat, snake, ant ETCs. So we should ready for study anytime, anywhere. Always we should ready study anytime, anywhere. In this module, we have studied about this chapter. Thank you for watching these videos.